So you want to know how to use Vencord and download plugins for it, you have to press download Vencord in vencord.dev. I will let the link in the description, so you have to press this pink button. You have to press the pink button again. You have to choose your operating system, your SO. I'm choosing Windows because I use Windows. So you have to press the download button, install, and you double click the download to get this setup. So here you have to look for your Discord path, and then you have to press install. So if Discord is open, you have to close it. I already did it, so you have to press OK. Now once you did it, it's already installed, so you have to go to Discord. Okay, so once you did it, you open Discord and you can see that in options I have Vencord options, and there are plugins. So here are a lot of plugins you can use in Vencord. Invisible chat, image zoom, I love spam, copy emoji markdown. And here in the Vencord website you can go to plugin settings and you can find a lot of more plugins. And the installation is very easy. You can look for those plugins here and install them. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in the next Easy Way video. Goodbye.